think I'll make another bow out of this just because I like the way it feels. And it curls so easily. This one's, I actually bought this from my favorite secret vendor location also, but they don't have any more of it this year. Now I'm just going to make a normal size bow. I'm not going to make a huge one like the red one or a smaller one like the Deco Mesh. But I still like longer streamers, so I'm going to make my streamer about this long, which is about 30 inches. I'm pinching it together, taking it away from my body and pinching it. Twist it and take it toward my body and pinch it. I don't know if you can tell or not, but this ribbon, they're all different textures. Some are harder, some are easier. This one is a very, very easy one to make a bow with. Now I'm pinching it, and we'll go to the right for the first loop of the X. I'm going to twist it and go back down to the bottom left for the second loop. And go to the left top for the third loop of the X. And there's the fourth loop. Just remember, always start with your layers. First layer the bow tie, the second layer the X. Always work away from your body. Always try to remember that. And I'm going to add a couple more loops to this one. I'm going to make another bow tie that comes straight out the center. Each loop is getting a little bit longer with each layer. I'm pinching it and twisting it again. My husband is filming for me today. He's off today. He was in the kitchen doing something, probably cleaning up for me while I was working on the newsletter. And I said, I need to film a video. Will you do it? He said, sure. So he's out here filming the video. All right, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 loops on each side. We've got 8 loops. That's probably going to be enough for this bow. So I'm going to make my loop that sticks out the very top again. And it'll come out the opposite side of my first streamer. So my first streamer comes out the right side, facing it. The streamer from this top loop will come out the left side. Now my hand's starting to cramp, and I make bows a lot. If yours does, don't worry about it. Your hands will get stronger as you do this. Now I'm twisting very tightly again. I'm going to cut the streamer. Now, I always cut the ends of my streamers in a V. I'm not taking the time to do that today. I'm just wanting to show you how to make some bows out of different types of material and different sizes. Now, can you see why I love this ribbon so much? It just it just stands up there and holds its shape and is absolutely beautiful. And it just kind of curls on its own. I can run my finger down it to make it curl a little bit more. This is a beautiful, beautiful bow.
Wasn't that bow making video fun? Well, it's my goal to have you making your own beautiful bows just in time for Christmas. So to watch more of my bow making videos, just click on the link right below.